Hi, my name is Ìféolúwa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. To those that subscribe, please thank you, and please subscribe, like, and share my video. And today we'll be learning alphabets, Yorùbá alphabets. In Yoruba, we have 25 alphabets, we have 18 consonants, and we have 7 vowels. So we call it and now alphabet, we call it alphabeti. Alphabeti, the Yoruba. Then the vowel, we call it voweli. Consonants, we call it consonanti, the Yoruba. So the alphabet, let's start. We have A, adìyẹ, B bàtà, B, D, A, we can call it A or A, Fi, G, we have G. English call it G, but we call it G. B. Then we have B. He, ale. He, E, G, Ki, kábíyèsí, Ki, Li, labalábá, Mi, Ni, O, yẹn ni pé owó. Then we have O, that's ọmọ, O. We have P, pàkúté, P, ríràkúnmí, She, that's the S that have dots underneath. She, T, uku, we, J. Then the O, you have a dot. The she, it has a dot. So the it has a dot. That's the differences. And in English, we have C, we have Q, we have the it has a dot. That's the differences. And in English, we have C, we have Q, we have V, we have X, we have Z. We have Z, sorry. But these ones, we don't have them in Yoruba. Thank you very much. These are the alphabets. If there's anything you want me to teach you, please comment, like, and subscribe. I love you. Thank you so much.